Have you ever felt confused about when to use should, would, or could in English?
Yes, many learners make mistakes with these words, and that's totally normal.
Don't worry, because today we are going to clear this confusion step by step.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma, and I'll help you understand these words with easy examples.
And I'm Alex. Welcome to AI Talk English, where we make English simple and fun.
In this video, you'll learn how to use should, would, and could in daily conversations.
So before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy English learning videos.
Now relax, stay with us, and let's start learning together.
Emma, I always get confused. When exactly should I use should?
Don't worry, Alex. Should is usually for advice or suggestions.
Oh, like when I say, I should study more?
Yes, that's perfect. It shows you are giving yourself advice.
So can I also use it for other people?
Absolutely. For example, you can say, you should drink water every day.
Ah, so it's for good advice or things that are a smart choice.
Exactly. And it's polite too, so it's great for conversations.
Can I use it for suggestions in the past too?
Yes, but then you say should have, like, I should have studied yesterday.
Oh, that's for regret or things we missed.
Exactly, and it's very common in daily English.
Can it also be used for giving advice to friends?
Yes, like, you should try this new movie. It's amazing.
Wow, that's easy. I think I understand should now. Emma, now I hear a lot about would. I get confused with it sometimes.
Don't worry, Alex. Would is used for polite requests, offers, or imagining situations.
Polite requests. Can you give me an example?
Sure, you can say, would you help me with my homework?
Oh, so it's more polite than just saying, help me with my homework?
Exactly. It's softer and friendly.
Can I also use would for offers?
Yes. For example, I would like some tea. It's polite and shows your choice.
Can it also talk about imaginary situations?
Yes, like I would travel the world if I had money.
Wow, that means it's not real, but just imagining.
Exactly, and it's very common in everyday English conversations.
Can I also combine it with should sometimes?
Sometimes yes, but we'll see that in later parts to avoid confusion.
Okay, that makes sense. Would is polite and imaginary.
Yes, Alex, and don't worry, we'll practice more examples in the next parts.
Great, I'm ready for the next one. Emma, now I hear people using could a lot. I'm confused again.
Don't worry, Alex. Could is used for polite requests, possibilities, and past abilities.
Polite requests again? How is it different from would?
Good question. Would is more about offers or imagination, while could is about asking permission or possibility.
Can you give me an example for a polite request?
Sure, you can say, could you open the window, please?
Oh, so it's like asking politely, not commanding.
Exactly, and it's very common in daily English.
What about possibility?
You can say, it could rain tomorrow. That means there's a chance it will rain.
And past abilities? How does it work?
Like, when I was young, I could run very fast.
Oh, so could shows what I was able to do in the past.
Exactly, and it's different from can, which is present ability.
Wow, could has many uses. Polite, possibility, past abilities.
Yes, Alex. Don't worry, we'll practice more examples in the next parts to make it super clear.
Great, I'm ready for more examples. Emma, can we try using should, would, and could in real-life situations?
Of course, Alex. Let's start with should. Imagine your friend is sick.
I can say, you should rest and drink water.
Perfect. That's giving good advice.
And for would?
Imagine offering something. You can say, I would like some coffee.
Oh, that sounds polite and friendly.
Exactly. Now let's try could for possibility.
It could snow tomorrow, right?
Yes, and for a polite request, you can say, "Could you pass me the salt?"
This is getting clearer.
Don't worry, Alex. By practicing like this, you'll remember easily.
Can we mix them in one conversation too?
Yes, like, "You should try this cake. I would like a slice, and could you pass me some?"
Wow, that sounds natural and fluent.
Exactly. That's how native speakers use them every day.
I can't wait to practice more. Emma, I still get confused sometimes. People mix up should, would, and could.
Yes, Alex, that's very common. Let's start with should. Many people forget it's for advice or suggestions.
Oh, so I shouldn't say I should do my homework tomorrow if I'm talking about someone else's choice.
You can say that for yourself, but for others, it's better like, "You should do your homework."
Okay, what about would?
People often confuse would and could. Remember, would is for polite requests, offers, or imagining.
So I shouldn't say, could you like some tea?
Right, that's wrong. Correct is, "Would you like some tea?"
And could mistakes?
Many use could instead of can for present ability. Remember, could equals past ability or polite requests, not present.
Oh, like I could run fast when I was young is correct, but not for now.
Exactly. And for polite request, "Could you help me?" is correct.
Wow, small mistakes can confuse people a lot.
Yes, that's why practicing examples is very important.
I feel like I'm understanding the differences better now.
Don't worry, Alex. By the next parts, we'll make it super easy with more examples and practice.
Emma, let's imagine a situation. I want to plan a party this weekend.
Great idea, Alex. First, you should make a guest list.
Okay, and I could invite my friends from college, right?
Yes, and you would need to ask them politely if they can come.
Like, would you like to come to my party?
Exactly. That's perfect English.
I should also decide the food menu.
Yes, and you could ask your friends for suggestions too.
Oh, that makes it easier. I would love some pizza at the party.
Perfect. And you could also have some soft drinks and snacks.
Should I also make a music playlist?
Yes, that's a good idea. Music would make the party more fun.
Wow, using should, would, could in a story makes it so natural.
Yes, Alex, that's how native speakers use them in daily life.
I feel much more confident now. Emma, can we do a small quiz? I want to test myself on should, would, and could.
Yes, Alex. I'll give you sentences and you try to fill in the blank.
Sounds fun. Let's start.
Okay, first one. You blank see a doctor if you feel sick.
That's advice. So you should see a doctor.
Perfect. Next, blank you help me with my homework, please?
That's a polite request. Could you help me with my homework, please?
Great. Now, I blank travel the world if I had enough money.
Imagining a situation. I would travel the world if I had enough money.
Excellent. Let's try another. You blank try this new restaurant. The food is amazing.
Advice again. You should try this new restaurant.
Yes. Next, I blank play the piano when I was a kid.
Past ability. I could play the piano when I was a kid.
Perfect. Last one for now. Blank you like a cup of coffee?
Polite offer. Would you like a cup of coffee?
Amazing, Alex. You got all correct.
Wow, practicing like this really helps me remember.
Yes. Don't worry. In the next parts, we'll give even more real-life examples.
Emma, sometimes I hear sentences like, I could help you and I would help you. I get confused.
Yes, Alex. That's a common tricky part. Let's break it down.
Okay, when do I say I could help you?
I could help you shows possibility or ability. Like, I could help you if I have time.
And I would help you?
I would help you shows willingness or imagination. Like, I would help you if you asked me.
Oh, so could is about can I do it, and would is about will I do it if,
Exactly. Another tricky one is mixing should and would.
like how.
For example, you should try this cake. I would love it if you do.
Oh, so should is advice and would is my reaction or feeling.
Perfect. Another common mistake is, could you like this?
Oh, that's wrong, right?
Yes, correct is, would you like this?
Curious. Wow, little words make a big difference.
Yes, that's why practicing real examples is very important.
I feel more confident now, but I still want more practice.
Don't worry, Alex. In the next parts, we'll do more fun examples and stories to make it very clear.
Emma, let's imagine a fun weekend trip. I want to plan everything.
Great, Alex. First, you should pack your bags before Friday.
Okay, I could take my camera and some snacks, right?
Yes, and you would need to ask your friends if they want to join.
Like, would you like to come to the beach with me?
Perfect. That's polite and friendly.
Should I also check the weather before going?
Yes, you should check the forecast to avoid rain.
I could also bring a small game or football for fun.
Great idea, and you would have a lot of fun with your friends.
What about food? Should I prepare snacks myself?
You could make sandwiches, and you would save money instead of buying outside.
Wow, using should, would, and could in this plan feels very natural.
Yes, Alex, that's how we use them in daily life and plans.
I feel like I'm ready to use them in real conversations now. Emma, I think we've learned a lot about should, would, and could today.
Yes, Alex. Now you know how to give advice, make polite requests, imagine situations, and talk about possibilities.
And practicing stories and real-life examples really help me understand better.
Exactly. Using them in sentences makes it easy to remember.
I feel much more confident now to speak English naturally.
And don't forget, small mistakes are normal. Practice is the key.
Yes, keep using should, would, could in your daily conversations.
Also, if you have any confusion with other words or grammar, comment below.
Yes, tell us which word confuses you the most, and we'll make a video about it next.
And for more practice and to improve your English, check the playlist on the screen.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English learning videos.
Yes, your support helps us make more helpful videos for you.
Keep practicing every day, and soon English will feel very easy.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Keep learning and have fun.
See you in the next video. Bye!